Hello and thank you for choosing EasyClear. We are delighted to have you on board. In this video, you will learn how to create a new customs declaration in just 3 simple steps. So let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the EasyClear menu on the left-hand side of your screen. See the option to create customs documents. Just click here to begin the process. The first page will display your drafts. These are your in-progress documents, ones you've started but haven't submitted for creation yet. Right now, I want to show you how to create brand new requests, so go ahead and click on New Draft to get started. In this first section, you'll need to enter the details of the booking, including the exporter and importer. All mandatory fields are highlighted with red asterisks, so you know exactly what to enter. Start by selecting which customs documents you need, import, export, etc., and the relevant Incoterms. Remember, if you are not sure which documents to book, you can reach out to our customs team, who are always happy to help. Next, enter the name and address of the exporter and the importer. Use the search feature to quickly find and fill in this information. Once this page is complete, click on Next Step to move on. At this point, your booking form will be automatically saved to the drafts page, so you can always come back to finish it at a later date. Section 2 is where we enter the details of the product to be shipped, so grab your commercial invoice, as all the information you'll need can be found on there. Start by entering the date and reference number as shown on your invoice, as well as the total value of the shipment. Remember, some invoices contain multiple products. It is the value of the entire shipment you need to enter here. Once this is complete, click Save and it's time to enter the individual commodity codes. This is where you have a choice. For more complex invoices containing more than 3 different commodity codes, it may be more efficient to upload a spreadsheet detailing the commercial invoice information. We can provide a free template for this process. Just click here to download it. If your commercial invoice contains only a small number of products, you may prefer to enter the commodity codes manually. To do this, click on Add Line and fill in the commodity details. Remember, you can find all this information on your commercial invoice, but if you need any help, just reach out. Once you are happy with the information you have entered, move on to the final section by clicking on Next Step. But do not worry if you're not quite ready to proceed. Click on Finish later and the declaration will remain a draft, which you can come back to at any time. We have reached the final step. Simply upload a copy of your commercial invoice and tick the box to accept the terms and conditions of the booking. When you are ready, click on Book Job. Your request will be sent directly to our in-house customs team, who are waiting to create your declaration. If you're not quite finished and want to leave your booking as a draft, just click on Finish Later. All the information you have entered will be saved and you can edit your request as many times as you need before booking. And there you have it. You're now all set to create your own customs documents. It's time to log into your EasyClear account and start booking. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact us by emailing customs@c4logistics.com. Thank you again for choosing EasyClear, and remember, we will be here to support you every step of the way.